I'm full of rage, but I wanna be grateful. So I'm in this cage, trying to be careful, cause I wanna hurt you. I sit down, start to ponder why we skip the border. If everything was in order, we could build the bricks and mortar. But can't afford a bag of cement or a meal that is decent. I just wish there was no politics. We're losing ourselves in this matrix. Africa for a great economy, maybe reduce dependency. Corruption is our enemy, bring doom to the heresy. Young people with the purpose, ain't no young people in the circus. I know we got a lot of madness, but we're deeper down the surface. All of the teachers and nurses, everybody in public service. People starving hard, why private jets you purchase? I hope there's hell. Y'all niggas must burn in the burners. Y'all niggas is heartless, got their wordsmith wordless. All my people kinda nervous, they stick to Bible verses, but get beside your verses, get beside your burning. My people are looking for answers that matters. Your double standards are the cancer disaster, and you are the master. The church is going crazy. Do we blame it on pastor, leading to the wrong pasture? The blame is on me, I'm the villain, but no, I'm the civilian. I care about the land that you're killing. Look at the lives that we're living, look at the sun that I'm breathing. One high niggas but feeling though. How you feeling? I want how niggas but feeling. I keep stressing about my family, I feel the agony. Innocent folks in a tragedy, held real bad by your strategy. But one day, my niggas are coming for you. One day, my niggas are coming for y'all. Zvinorwadza ukazvifunga, takazvizvonongura vatazvisunga, vatemane chidhina vatazvichunga, takati takunda vatazvitunga. We knew it wouldn't be easy, but the destination is drifting away. African youth struggling, but Shichanak, 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 Shichanak.
What's freedom? Is it being allowed to pray 5 times a day or being left a heathen? I feel defeated, my leaders are conceited, and if you speak against them, they will put you in the cement. Best believe it, we are the youth of broken dreams, cursed to hear our people scream, and slowly watch them turn into drug fiends. Hope our mobile phone screens, pretending to have green. Let me give you this inception and wake you from this bad dream. They took the land for themselves, ain't nobody else. Even if you scream for help, they'll leave you drowning and even put weights on your belt. You won't survive even if you were Michael Phelps. We are plagued with man-man wars, ruthless warlords and governments that will bury you in a shallow grave or sell you off as a slave. This happening every single day. This shit harder than surviving the Revenant. I'm broken, we can't breathe. I'm choking, we can't speak. Mental lockdown, these thoughts they won't leave. I used to dream of better days, but now I can see as high on everything. They be smoking, you need to save yourself. There's no use crying for help. Beat the system with persistence, and if you got means, be resistance. Get off the gram, stop being ignorant, my nigga. What's free? I wanna be whoever I wanna be. What's free? I wanna be whoever I wanna be.
Zvinorwadza ukazvifunga, takazvizvonongura vatazvisunga, vatemane chidhina vatazvichunga, takati takunda vatazvitunga. We knew it wouldn't be easy, but the destination is drifting away. African youth struggling, but Shichanak, 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 Richard Nak